Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Saniksha Agdani. I post tutorials here once a week, sometimes twice a week, but today's tutorial is a bit different because today in this tutorial I'm going to talk to you guys about brushes. Brushes play such an important role for creating that fabulous look which you see on YouTube channels, on Instagram. Without a good set of brushes, you cannot create that look that you want to achieve. Like, it's just very difficult because blending matters, and the way the brush picks up a color and places it on your eyelid, that matters. Not only eye brushes, even the face brushes, the way they take the product and add it onto your face really matters, because you don't want like a blotchy makeup look, or you don't want the product to stick onto your skin. So a good set of brushes is super important. And so I'm going to break it down and try to make it super easy for you to show you which are the most important brushes which are supposed to be there in your kit if you're just starting off. And like for yourself, I'm not even talking about like bridal makeup artists. As a beginner, which are the brushes you definitely need. So these are a few eye makeup brushes. Now let's start with the MAC white blending brush is what I call it. The number is 217. Now the way this picks up the color, it picks up a lot of color and it places it really well. And the other brush is the black blending brush. I'll put down the picture and the number over here. So that is the MAC soft blending brush, and if you take color on this, it will diffuse it really well. Or if you don't even take color on it and you just want to blend out the edges, this is for that. So this one you could place color with this and blend out, and this one you could use to diffuse the color and blend it out too. So these are the two brushes. One is a stiff one is super soft. When I say stiff, it's not super stiff, it's just like more denser as compared to the black brush. Then comes your eyeshadow brush. This is the flat shader brush which you need to add color on your eyelid, and this is the pencil brush, super important brush too. All these brushes which I'm talking about, they all are like very important. You need the pencil brush to add eyeshadow to the lower lash line. If you want to add like blended eyeliner on the top of the lid, you could use this pencil brush for that. And this is the eyeliner brush. If you want to use gel eyeliner, or even if you're using eyeshadow as your eyeliner, you need an eyeliner brush for that. Or even if you're creating like a nice thin line, as close to the lash line as possible, so you need that brush for that. Those were the eye brushes, and now the face brushes. Now these are the face brushes that you definitely need. Add powder all over your face. This is another MAC brush. Love the way it picks up the product and love the way it blends and deposits the product. I've used so many brushes which, like the kabuki brush, they take up so much product and they just slap it on your face, and it's so difficult to move around. I love how much product it picks up and the way it blends it too. Then comes your contouring brush. This is an angle contouring brush for the powder, so you can use this one to add contouring when powder contouring only. This one is the duo fiber brush. It looks a bit like this, like duo fiber. I use this for cream contouring. Like if I want to add cream contouring, super easy to blend. Love this brush. If you don't want a cream contour, you could even use it for foundation or liquid blush. Amazing brush. Then comes a blush brush. This is like a smaller dome brush. So this was the big powder dome brush, and as compared to that, this is the smaller dome brush for your blush. So smile and add blush to the apple of your cheeks. Then this is actually a foundation brush, but I like to use to add the highlight on the highest point of the cheekbone or even on my nose. This is a Sigma brush. I use this to add powder wherever I add concealer and the hard to reach areas. Like this is where I add concealer, so after that I add face powder using this brush, and on the bridge of my nose, around my lips, and just some powder over here. So those were my favorite brushes. If you want to get some brushes, these are the brushes you should definitely get. And I'm sure my students are going to love this video because they always keep messaging me for brushes, and so here they are. And I'll see you soon guys in my next tutorial. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really matters to me. Please. Bye.